Okay, this is called the Sienna Suite here at the Palazzo. Basically, it's kind of a two-room living room with master bedroom. So we'll go check it out. First thing you notice when you walk through is a large living room. Before you get there is a half bath for guests or whatever, an extra bathroom, which is nice to have. As you can see here, it's got a really large living room, place to set up your computer, do some work. Lots of chairs, sofa, table. We had a little room service there, as you can see. It's got a full entertainment center, if you will. And again, also great views of Las Vegas. This particular view is looking over the Wynn. That's the golf course that is soon to become a lake, from what we understand. There's the edge of the Wynn right there. Heading down, looking towards the airport over there. Just a beautiful, beautiful suite. Kind of looking back this direction. And then connected right here is a master bedroom. There's Brandy. Good morning, Brandy.
Good morning.
Full-size king bed. Again, more chairs. Another window with a beautiful view of the Las Vegas Valley. Right there. TV, and there's a place to put on makeup. There's a large closet for all of your luggage, and there is a huge bathroom. You could fit a golf cart in that shower. That is huge. His and her vanity, nice big soaking tub, as you can see. So, just a really nice way to enjoy your room when you go to Las Vegas. Again, like I mentioned, go to travelvegas.com and check it out. Pull up the Palazzo. They have a lot of different suite layouts, but something that people really don't know is that every room at the Palazzo is a suite. They're not this big, but there are suites. They're some of the largest hotel rooms, standard hotel rooms on the Las Vegas Strip. So again, head over to travelvegas.com, search it out for your next trip, and if it works for your budget, we highly recommend it. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we're off to do some walking around on the Strip. Explore the city. It's always a ton of fun.